Okay. Greeting to all of you. My name is Dr. Dalarjin. Um, I'm coming to talk about the United Nations intervention in crisis in Jonglei State. So if you come, please share it with our people so that they can actually listen to this message later or as we are going. Please share it. First of all, we have seen the UN now is UN agencies. They come actually to pay attention on what is going on, and what we have seen in South Sudan, Jonglei State alone, there are 280,000 civilian has been displaced already in Jonglei State. And this 280,000 is just one community, one sectional of community called Launwer. These people has be displaced from their home in several cities, in villages like Akobo, Pathai, Ayut, Wat, Motot, Yuai, Walagak. It's so many of those places that have actually been a disaster now. So there's a huge destruction of the villages. What we have seen is that is a very serious destruction and humanitarian crisis in the history of South Sudan. Never happened before. And people right now, as we are talking, they are trying to escape the war because the ground has become a killing ground. And they are trying to escape to safety place. Safety places are very far away. And they go with children, women. Some die on the way. Some are moving with gunshot, no food and no water very far. And there are no medical supply for these people. So many people are trapped in the way. Okay, there is this story from, I think it's from Ayut. So a group of women just flee from Ayut, and then they flee to the bush by the river. Don't have food, and they have a lot of problem inside the bush forest. And the government soldiers trapped them back with food. They told them, "You guys come. We have food for you." And then when the women were coming, they were rounded up and then shot. And over 30 women and their children died. There is a video out there, you can watch it yourself. Now, this one is a big crisis. Okay? So how can UN help here? What really need to be done? Okay? UN, the way what I'm thinking is UN don't need to create camp like the way they go and say, oh, we need to create camp, or we drop food in a safe area, because you drop it in a safe area, the people who are affected are not going to get it. So what really UN need to do here is to drop what we call emergency relief supply. Okay, you drop it by air. Okay, and you drop it on the way, on many of the way, like now, many civilians trying to flee to Ethiopia, trying to flee from Jonglei State, going to Upper Nile State. So you identify location like Lanken, Akoba, outside, places like Walagak. You drop places like Wulang, a lot of people going there, and then you drop it on the way, okay? That is the only thing can help those people now. Otherwise, going to take a camera, going to try to create a camp will not help. What will help them is you drop the food, you drop medical from up on the air. That can really help a lot. And this is the work of UN. UN can do this very easy. In the 90s, I think it was around 1991, okay? So many civilians, they were fleeing from Ethiopia, and we were moving to crossing the border from Ethiopia to Pichala. Okay? And then there was thousands of millions of people. They were actually going toward Fichala, toward maybe some of them going to Akoba, some of them going to Beibor, and some coming back to South Sudan, some fleeing to Kenya. So it was a huge crisis. This is the crisis that I can compare with this right now. So what happened? UN could not help. They cannot come here and create a camp. It was impossible. So the only way they helped was to drop food, to drop some medical from the air. And sometimes the food may get into where the land of maybe the enemy. Sometimes it can go to rebel, and sometimes it can hit where the civilians are. That is okay. At least they will have access to that. That is exactly what we need now. Okay. So United Nations need, the way they can appeal to help this is by air. You can only help these people by dropping food from the air, not visiting the people, not going to take camera, not talking to people. This is beyond talking. You can just drop food, like World Food Program. They have a lot of helicopters, they have airplanes, and they get a lot of money from the world. Okay, so I don't know why they don't do this, and it's something that they usually do. Okay, so what they need is to drop the food on the way. That is can actually help. The second thing that may help these people is what we call military intervention. UN can do this very easy by forcing the parties to actually go for agreement. Okay, that one UN can do. These two things are the immediate thing the UN actually can do. United Nations, actually myself, I wrote a letter to United Nations headquarters. I also wrote to World Food Program, and I don't know whether they do something about this. But these are things that I usually do. Now, sometimes we see there is a visitation, there is a visit to a location. I don't think that visit is helping. Okay, what need to help is from the air, because the location is not accessible by land or by UN. So it cannot, maybe they want to think that maybe creating camp like IDP camp. IDP camp do not help people. Okay? What help people? Because people are trying to find how they can survive. Okay? So that's why they move from place to place where gunshot cannot be heard. So in that way, that's why it's good to drop food in the affected area. Don't put the food or the medical equipment far away from these people and to expect them to go and reach it, because they will die. That's why there is a death of women in Aiyut. And right now, United Nations is trying to put food in Bor town, in Dukfadiet. That, and then they call it is like this is a safe area or safe zone. This is totally wrong. Okay? So you need to actually, if you need help, you have to go to places that are not safe, because that is the places that there is killing. That's the places that people are suffering. And if the UN is caring for operating there, that's why you can drop thing by air. You do it by, you drop medical safety, you drop thing that can help for emergency, only emergencies. So that's the only thing I think can help in this situation. The United Nations really is serious helping the civilian in protection, because there is their role, by the way. So this is my message to the UN to really help with emergency from the air. Okay. The other thing is that to our people, most of the local people who are affected right now, we know that the problem is really very serious. Is a destruction, okay, in the history. So what you need to learn from the way of traditional survival, a strategy how you survive. You don't need to rely only on United Nations food by itself. You can rely on how you survive, okay? how do you survive? For example, if you are traveling to places very far, sometimes you need a survival way. There are a lot of things that you can do. For example, you can share food, you can cook together. So many people maybe have something small, you cook together so that the food can be enough. And then you keep walking. Don't be stationed in one place, because stationed in one place can really be very hard. Okay, so the other thing is that, so that means you can cook together is one way. Another way is there are traditional things, trees, wild fruit, maybe vegetables that are really along grasses, a lot of things that you can look in the traditional way of how these things have been used for survival. So this is the way you can use them on your way to wherever you think is safe, whether you are going to Ethiopia, to Kenya, or wherever you flee, or maybe internally in another county. These are the way you will help. Another thing is also depending on the animal, meat, blood, and milk. These are the way how ancestors used to live. So you need to go and do this so that at least you can survive. You don't just die because there is no food, or there is maybe far away from places, from the water. So you look for the traditional way of survival, okay? And that's how you can avoid like being trapped. Do not accept trap from the enemy. The enemy cannot tell you, okay, come here and get food, and then you accept it. No, only accept from you and neutral people is what you can actually accept. So let me switch this and talk in Tognuara, and I think I will bring this one in Tognuara next time. But let me discuss this in Nuer language. Yen Nuer di alakon liang roya men janan Dr. Dolarjin roya nan la de roya ka ku UN nan luno min goye la dor UN take a long medi de long take a boom ko take a kwa ko take a tong wan long we mon take a lat chung mi chu ne kon ntama cha goro lo ka ne kon ken kel mo jen goye no rewdem dong dien mukwe no de na lo di ken. I don't think so. Ko allow the way nan lel ken ntama ken changai ken wo outer destruction medi de long luno chara code ne kan ji ci chubaka au ci nay to kur bal dor te luno te jendang rew te jen badak te to bal dor to mon luno chaka displace wekel karade no law no karade no. Okay, so allow community one section my huge destruction taban no mo luno me chumna almost either na rew da 500,000 people mana ka section ken we to gonna destroy ka lanken akoba patai ayu no what woman dornan yala yuai ka walaga ka ken we taught luno tne to luno ne ro dial kuri wador. Okay, taga dadar. So no a serious destruction medi long makama to wadora na one. So take a thing in one long to no ke je min kwan la wana mena wodi wona na UN majin ganwara. How did UN Jacob Beladdi? Minan kel nan ngoro wona ne bana wi creator kedan e wo ba UN jojinu bere muro do ke se place me bi kam do latin non chago ka kon. Okay, so we nan de lo min diri de cure ke jika UN me chol UN jonu ja ayur kon pin ke neal no mo melodi ka ayo ke melodi ke me jira mo ran woko ke me jira mo me jin leader muluno mugwi minan lero de rey nuora UN take capacity take a take you to jiga kan we mon kan li we di al kon dol yo ba kala wana mon ba luno way kan ma chakal le yagan to la dien so kan minan de lar ke o kan gorgo ba kon ba yor pinya kan neal ci mo pin ko na jël ka kana tagare ro na ci ka tegul kel ma luno me de ko lo lotin na taga dof ne ka ne to wan long tangen taga yir ngai kan obire ba malpo tangen to roop tangen to weir tangen jel go work kwa ndi kon weger so kwa to ka kan kwa kon go ba kon ba yortin kan niam okay world food program derelel united nation mission ko de lel kan an un derelel kin mi ngoro no ba larke on me jennan de yenlel chorle le kam kon tamane kon ya gwe ndam ya gwe hay ga tikon hay ga kan mo ya kon to ko ne me dan me jene ke Ethiopia okay nay ri ñun ngono long refugees ke 1991 refugees won me ci mangis to me daw so laos jinubi de won long ta ke Ethiopia ci kam ne won yi ga daw ci jini to won ko masker de won long ya ka da so yi nay won yi ga jen yi ga daw ku we nasara ku we luno we pagage ke ku me we pinchala kan dof de ko ne be na so en ram kel mi ben do pinchala real je di de long lao tana te ke lei we dan la te na ke joy te me yo lo kul te me yo lo ti kon yen de yen ke jis joy ne en ken la cham gendo so alaw le me ana min kin le de kon ye pinjal te le de won long ke wo lo no ba da ne dial ba tal go kel ko birama bon je so no mo we me lu no chu na te tin no ne de kon de ite me dong me jana ko binate alawo garam ke UN ya chol kere ke yo yene we alal na camping no kere ke yo yene ne to we moye rian yalla ko ngayo dawta na jalle na kana rodi en camping ko yang ke yo yene la na tagare go so yen kon yoro je pin kanyal so UN yekule jen la euro kon pin kanyal be pen pinga pichala pen pinga be bur pen pin en dobo wetino tango en belo pen ga jalap tang en belo pen ga chap tana belo pen ga rebola no mo ye ne to wan ye ga lo long okay so mi ya o jer bi ay chwal kun bi ga le law bi ka ya bel kun ngam den we wo no mo njen gor ko ne no mo antama ka daw nan to ko jongle e jen ni gor ko no advocate no UN ayuro kon pin ka niam ba ko le je ne kon dofna dial ko nin weye ye luno tanatin ba yortin mu we pen gare boli zoke cha pen ga benji kuma ba izoke mu we pen ka cha bi zoke luno tanadu so no mo yan nanin weye min de lele ken yi wen tam yo wo ka wa torona ken ne luno ka ci andun te di la wala le interview ne ti kon chana loga ken okay so law min de ne kon lo no mo ejen weye nan weye min de na lo long kada ne dan wan long de kon je ken en wo ken lel ka dor te men lel ga ken gurgo de lo de la que safe place ngum mamina safe zone lo de nangu so safe zone ka ke min lo de ka ken yi UN lo no mo lo no big lot kel ga ji kuma for example ntama taga equipment wan nyin dual wall nyin kwan yin ngu to won chakala kum nan yalla duk padiet to lot kan ga no ne ba kale ne ko ya dis lakin chak bi je ne kon ko din ne kon to wan kur to be nan nak ngaro din tin so ko me yeka no ba yuen ba jo ne se place to ne di kon kul lo ne ka ki ka tin ji ka ten wan mo ne di kon guru bi lo to wan kur kan kwal na to for example ye ka ayot ala mandi kon ya nen mandi je nang dok kon ti kon ti ana mandi kon kanay ti yiring jaw yir tagare ruop kala gat ken ngay ga no mo koro to lu no dago lu dorien lakin kor chale to kirwi so lu no ya ka me chulo microphone bia law na ga tong nora ko pe mi go kon nora ngay kon ya no dan da gwandia so ba jo ne bia konen yibene den lu no ramana ka bol te tariyer won mo donc wi wo ba da te di ke te la te na wal kam kin bi te ko bi te ke yil bi te mi yale ke te dial to so bi gwi no na ngano lo no mewa ma dong de konde je dong de tong de te so dong yang bi no ko ngin chiek okay so alaw mi to ko gar yale biel wi si je dem nan lo no ya kera ga may ngan yal ko ya na pin no mo mi wota ga video melel chenga roi ke biel wi chun tamam te roi melar biel wi ponde helar wona na adu number 1 ka ke won mi ka ayot e jena ramin nyam mo gwanter ka mandi kon ta kela ka ray mo ngani yena lingi ndi akulu ka video lele ya we adu number 1 man ti kon takel ge min rewde ayo why biel lad mi yekeno ke yene de kon e yailin kan tam na ya joyo e manna min lad ne no ngu ne alawo jen rek dien re nan tag sin yaro dien reatin ma cha tek luno ba walde ne ken kon ba ko way mai ba was very important luno ba ka tek which can ne ka nakake which can no mo chede metwo gir man kon wogra ga bagay so kana luno si tile rebel mede berey mede to da ka ngai dan no hienan wogra ko wogray that's why engine lad no ne ko man threat wo hadu da number 1 ko mande gon in tinte kon kele wona me tila bogra wa so no mo ka join to me man ya man ya ga trap ko kon so ya man no mo engine ngwe la biel wi kele law intentionally so law jen be man to no bekna ko gwi wona ne jen law kan ne de kon nakna ko man gon wogray kwa sigre ne ken luno kwa kala lat law mi woray kam yi ga barar no mo yelar kata mam mi ya video no mi ya gwi so luno min dena lel min dena advise ga ne kon awodi wona ne tilera mo wadu medey moy kon gare karame to no ni jala mela yena ga je chala joko ne jina moy shaba to no moy ga kon karame to ramela moy na kon godan dia le kon ti te daw e UN hiram nanin min luno min kule yega ji law no mo joye o kon information e jenin na kon bar ne to ran sitina roj ka tana de tigna kayena mi daw ben gono biaro long biaro ay kam ne kun we nan tigna di biay share e jen bu biya kula tega law biya kula tega ka pel ko no tega ye da do arkere da ka so luno luno baye met so tam ye wuto na ga charam maka dio enan yi to ka ayode jene yi to ka pat tai changi ne ke to ka gari yala gara alawo me yala makal kole ya mande chu pai han we ga chol ga patai ya ga de ka kon mo ya ga de ka kon no ya ga mo warning yo ne yen alawo kon me ka mi me mo we ayo nyo kam ji ayo kon tam bia nang bia kam ji ayo lakin be luen so no mo mi to ka luno ka patai luno adu yege ji jeni moji kon so kon mo ne nyanda re da gwa gare so min dong dien chane benen medan ke dung nasar me anasar me ada ye to wona no wo belding mon wo ga de long kwana le jo yene bia ka bel so no mo chaje law there is a problem metwo no mo so min to ka je ngu ne kon gweno dong law te na ne wal ka cha parwe okay so guru kon bana loy ko dal cha paiben kon tradition long ke doran here tire trug mutatin long so doran mu de long and natural okay ne de mu wan long ne de diga je don karan rek menin re te ga de lew ko wono ma guru to kon teji ke culture mo ken kon bi ngai na ke long for example me ya kan o tili yang ke tili mana tili del ke law tili king di te di jiram yekena well minani bi ngai bi jenti ko ni cham ga bi ka ngai okay bi joy ti ko ni cham te now for example tay jay mi ya lo kul jay mo tere yir ga jay mi di de long and yir fitin so jay mo bi ngai o jay mo di te ke je di ti de liu mi ye cham bi pimas yere ran to ker ya lo kul te ke jay mi dong ya le yil lo no mo ta actually tam man ta la na lo no ci ke lel pit ke yil social ka bantiu okay so no mo bi ngai ke mi ya le ke te ti ya le te sin ke bi ya le bi no ya le la kathar all these things because ngai ke bi ka educate to people or to ti ka te lo no te gana re dor ko mi na dor taban de ka hina mi go bi ram mi be ko ne lo no gangene tewdu so shiru bilo betsilmu ka du ko ne jine e cha yi ne konen ndel no bayuna so no ma yego bi kon ngai ne di kon metire ruop tire yer luno bi ka ngai to diale kon ti tegna en ken kon bi ngai awel gobla ki wo bayin lo kire ne ja rew dama ndong dien me jin cha bi jal bi wo bi guru go ma luno ma bi ma kam manan ga maj luno be within. For example, you need to work Ethiopia and is okay. So daw me Ethiopia me di chuf ke minani ala Kenya ke border kong Sudan. And gwa me luno me wi ye di chuf. Gwa ka jino mo. Okay? Me wi kura wi chuang ba den lao dong di lu nyaw. Lakin minanin mingwe de kon advising a time UN me UN and enter ko UN lele e take a safe zone mo doran ken liu sile wen me mo safe zone mo me lele a trap gorno na banga ba u yorpin wadna di na du padiet biya kulu move biya kulu migrate dorun biya won wonami so lu no no mo ba be de wona tinno changa UN or minguro dere kam dere wala wonami ba we gang e ke longa gang so to chore nyo no na ba kam na ba ka nyo lel ba ka lel ga ye ka dagme je ka kam ne kon actually medan te me lar kon ka dung ka kam ne kon te gabil nan inshallah Bosnia ka European me aka daga kore ne yale Serbian lu no joy ga UN la pek de win me lel kam na jo kam ne 70 me ja ngai lu no kan serbo na kan Bosnia ne dial kulu ci ko kam ne kan yali go resistant ci law kormel altera kan ina diali wo kam ne goro no kon UN kala wo hol le maj kam ne ken wo na no ken mo karnen so kam me yala kam lar dorun ci go ko kon ciora jam no kulu min shal min goye de sholon ta me wodi wo UN ba jo jinna alaw na taga da lan ta taga re ro taga dofne so jin kon yuro je pinga neal no mo enjen nande kon enjen bina lo no mo so ba yor mkin yaga places wenaka jikany mo jikany do armon tam lo no ne dial kon ku lo dial kon yi wo jikany dam ya lo so me yor tin ba yor man mo ke lañ ba yor law ba yor yema yor ye ka pedira den lo no biram ma jero de bel ko mu ba ngam leer no mo enjen de kon lo no so be ne dum won ba lo ramada li wo bol ramada lo no me cedda luno bi je wal ge mu ba jone yurga pinga kon gen banalar no min dong dien wo mataka lo ka cha mo na kam ne ken aka ka ko kurchwon ka ji ku yun te ka ji ka ba kurchwon wi ne dial ki kon first time ka afrika lo no lele ja ken law taka ga long ma ka fu no kurchwon taga long me luno de kir de jone ne jina kom no kurchwon taga long me de garam cha de jolel so forces dial kon kulu they can do it lel kanen mo chalel wi to won long chalel ka Somalia ken chalel kam yala Congo chalel ka dor yala Sierra Leone mana Liberia lel yeken ngum luno me de ka dalo de le doran o ka ne chup kana de sai ken kono mo la kwa de sai ne kon yala Security Council so ko wono gwana no kana sai kon banala numna ne de go kon mi go kon ja go right nan larke ken to save zone ya gwa kon so Sudan silmi yar safe zone gwanan kula ta ga insecurity zar jen gwan goro balu te lo ko safe zone yeme alel kan tama mi yala duk padi alel la safe zone okay duk padi ba wol ba latin woni ba kwan ba latin daluno binne kon biran bela pude kan wana ma kulu kamo je gele kulu je kier luno kere bola mana jin cham mo bi cho bedi duk padi mana no mo trap ramagoro na du no yejen so lo no kon memba leluen o til kon gwa mo save the only way mo save kon o UN magoro ba kon mo won goro ba kon mo ko kon goro ba na ala ba na lo ayuro mi yala relieving kanial and then from there biramoro go dunde dof and then yene ko tin yene lo no til way me de te na ka South Sudan gero UN camp worker refugees camp win to kom belo jente na majira magoro bi te ka te daruna wal were dor bi wote te na ni la mi la te ne kon nan wal biro nyos ko mi o daw tindia le kon joy wal tindia le kon la te ne kon nan wal en kan kon bi luisin ko daw la am tot so chala we long kin pas di ok pas bakan dong ba to rewno non dien la no la je kan ran yankol no mo la yo le long ran yankol mi no ne la da me chore gu yo kala yi no re di ali go to ki lo yi go to no yo to ga ina kana indial kon kul a crisis na jen ma ba to okay kana indial kon kul ne wo ci beure bi ji ne di kon bi wo pinkim baro nyol ka tege wal malalu no ken ba bi ga tege ka re ba to ko tilmi yitu ka tilmi se sar malu no ma ya tara jak so no mo e jen nanin min ba balar no mo jen kuy ka UN min bana focus sino long o UN way mbi kon lo aja yu organial ka emergency so jen no ba balar thank you for your share bye bye